So I feel thoroughly called out about the not needing a jacket. So I'm sure I'll walk outside for dinner in a few and just be like, I needed the jacket.
No, I support your position, and if you want to go for a walk around the city this evening and just embrace the cold air.
Embrace the cold.
That's right. It's a choice you made today.
At least you got like a little bit of the sweater on.
Right,
You know?
that is the plus side.
Nice.
I mean,
thing.
it looks a little thin,
Yeah.
but good luck out there. It's been a chilly month. We're running with temperatures below average, and I don't see anything that's really going to drastically change that. But at the same time, I don't see anything much colder than we are now.
Okay.
If that makes
We'll
sense.
just get used to this.
Yeah, we're just kind of like flatlining. And the reason for that is the jet stream is positioned to our south. So our air has been coming down from Canada pretty consistently now for the last couple of weeks. There is a little bit of a ridge that tries to build over the eastern U.S., but it never really makes it here. This trough kind of reloads, sending down some cool air again for the beginning of next week. Maybe it starts to ease up toward the end of next week, but I don't see a wholesale pattern change where we're rising way back up into the 50s and 60s for a couple days. So settle in on 40s. That's what we're looking at for highs for the most part. Right now we do have a few sprinkles and flurries up there, especially around Skowhegan, maybe a few flurries right now. Same story to the north of Bangor. Otherwise, it's nothing heavy. 38 in Bangor and Waterville, 40 in Freiburg, we're at 41 in Rockland, and 45 in Portsmouth. So through the evening hours, a few flakes and drops out there, but nothing steady. And the trend overnight tonight will be to dry things up and partially clear the skies out, upper 20s to low 30s tomorrow morning. I think overall tomorrow's a brighter day than today. There still will be some partial cloud cover, so we'll call it partly sunny tomorrow, but better than we've been, with brighter skies starting to build back in. 42 in Lewiston for the high tomorrow, 42 in Bangor, and 44 in Portland. Average high is 49, so again, we're several degrees below that. Saturday looks mostly sunny. Doesn't do much to the temperatures, but we'll have sun, so it'll feel better on Saturday, I think, despite the fact that we're not going to get a bump in the temperatures from that sunshine. That's because the air keeps coming down from Canada with high pressure in place. And then our next system comes in late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. For southern Maine, it's really just a wave of precipitation that kind of flies through. I think you get the bulk of the day in actually dry if you're in York County. However, in eastern and northern Maine, this may linger into Sunday night. And this is the biggest question in the forecast. Does this trough form here over northern Maine that could keep the snow going into Monday morning? That would just be in northern Maine, though. Central and southern Maine would be removed from kind of that extended round of precipitation. So we'll show you this here hour by hour. Saturday evening, Saturday night, we start out dry. There is cold air in places this begins. So even to the Lakes region, northern York County, Gray, New Gloucester, Augusta, Gardner, over toward the interior parts of the mid-coast, you might get a little snow to start, but a southerly wind will drive milder air in, and we see that snow change over to rain. And then it may linger into the afternoon and evening up over northern Maine. So this is what we're thinking right now for snowfall. Along the coastline, it's mostly rain, but just inland, there could be up to an inch that then mixes with rain. In the foothills, mountains north, where you get more snow and it just ends as maybe a little rain, 3 to 6 inches is what we're expecting right now. Those numbers over Aroostook County could be increased if we keep it going into Monday morning up there. So check back for updates on that. We'll talk to you about it tomorrow too. Seas 3 to 5 feet with a northwest wind, 10 to 15 knots out there tomorrow. Sunshine returns these next couple of days, and we get that wave of snow mixed to rain. And then next week to start, it's chilly, but it does look a little bit brighter into the middle of next week.
Ready for that bright sunshine?
Yeah,
Yes.
me too.
Saturday's going to look very good. Okay,
Yeah.
Ryan, thanks so
You're
much.
welcome.